Do you know when you're actually in a position to negotiate a better deal on a rental property? Before placing an offer, here is what you should analyze first in order to find out if you should negotiate in the first place. How long do you have until your moving date? If you are 1 month plus away until your moving date, you have higher chances of another good property to come along, in case you are losing the one which you want to negotiate on currently. However, if you are 2 weeks or less until your moving date and the right property comes across, you should strongly consider to go with the best offer forward in order to secure that property, as chances are lower for another good property to come within the 2 weeks window. And you may end up compromising even more afterwards if you lose the current option. How many options, just as good or very close, do you have in your current shortlist as a plan B or C in case plan A property doesn't work out? If you only have the property at hand to negotiate on, chances are that there are not many options in your desired area within the same quality for the same price range, and this means that it is a high probability that other tenants searching for properties will like the same options just as much or even more, and they may be willing to put forward a better offer, which could be a more attractive offer for the landlord. Answering these questions will give you a good idea if you are in a position to negotiate an offer. My name is Octavian Pop, and I am the co-founder of Avasa AI, which is a property technology company, and we are in the market to upgrade the rental search experience for people who are looking to relocate in or move within the UK. If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family who you know they may benefit from the information provided. Thanks and happy renting!